Today we are going to talk about even and odd numbers. It's important to understand what the words even and odd mean. An even number is a number that can be paired equally. A pair means two. So when we're talking about even numbers, we're talking about numbers that can be paired into twos. An odd number is a number that cannot be paired equally. An odd number is a number that is kind of left alone, and we'll talk about that more as we go through this lesson. I went to a parade today and I was able to get some candy. I brought some home and now I want to figure out if I have an even amount of candy or an odd amount of candy. I am going to put them into pairs. Remember that pairs mean that I will put them into twos. I will put these in a pair, these in a pair, these in a pair, and these in a pair. As you can tell, everything here has a pair, and that means that this is going to be an even number because everything can be paired. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 is going to be an even number. Now let's say someone gets really hungry and they decide to come and take these away from me. Now I have this much. I'm not sure how many because I haven't counted yet, and I need to decide if it's an even or odd number. Once again, I'm going to try to put them into pairs. So I already have this pair. Then I'm going to take these two and put them into a pair. And then I'm going to put this one into a... Wait! I can't put this piece of candy into a pair. There's not another piece of candy to put it with. Since I cannot put this into another pair, I realize that this is an odd number. I cannot pair this number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is an odd number. I have 2 here, and 1 all by itself. 5 is an odd number. Let's take a look at this whiteboard and see how many even or odd magnets we have. Wait, I can't move these magnets, it's too strong. It looks like we're going to have to think of another way to figure out the even and odd numbers. I have an idea. I can put them into pairs by adding a circle around 2's when we find 2's. Let's do that together. Let's look at this top row right here and count how many magnets we have. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go ahead and put them into pairs. This is a pair, and this is a pair. So 4 is an even number because it can be put into equal pairs. Let's look at the next row. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Some of you are probably already catching on, and you can tell right away. Is this an even or odd number? Well, let's see. Let's put these into pairs and figure out if this is going to be even or odd. Let's circle these two, and these two, and these two. Look, if you said even, then you are right, because they can all be put into pairs. Great job. There are 6 magnets here that can be put into pairs, which makes 6 an even number. Now let's look at this last row. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's go ahead and put these into pairs to see if we have an even or odd number. Let's put these two together, and these two together, and these two together, and uh-oh, we can't put this into a pair because there's not another magnet to pair it with. Right away, we should recognize that this is going to be an odd number. We realize we can't put it with anything else, so 7 is an odd number. Thank you for watching. Please share the video and subscribe.